Hello, my name is Sergey, and within this video I want to walk you through the unique and distinguished feature of Infomatix project, which provides you an option to track investments of any kind. Within the Gnosis platform, you can track your investments into these stocks and crypto, but you might also have the custom assets, which price you want to know. That might be jewelry or art or real estate, and our platform provides you an option to request its valuation to know its price. So at first, let's log into Infomatix project as an admin, navigate to the admin panel and check that there are no incoming requests yet. So let's create the first one. For the test purposes, we will programmatically create the request from Gnosis to Infomatix for valuation of the house located in California. So we create the request, and on the Infomatix side, we can see that it appears under the incoming requests tab, and we can see its details. So admin has to approve the request first, provide the amount of info tokens which will be assigned to the reward to the responder, then specify the expiration time, date and time, click save. Alright, there are no unhandled incoming requests yet. So the next person who comes in place is a responder. Let's create such an account. Responder, that is an expert in a given domain area who wanna share his knowledge and earn some money. So we create such an account, provide an email and a password, agree with the terms and conditions and click save. Alright, the registration link has to be here in our inbox. Alright, here's Sergey +10. We follow the link, and now we need to complete the next step, the registration process, providing the detailed information about ourselves, the bio. For example, I am an expert in real estate with more than 10 years of hands-on experience in property valuation. Alright, we provide the job title, the area of expertise, real estate, and our keys, the keywords which correspond to our area of expertise. Then we need to provide the document which proves our expertise in a given area. Upload the document. We have the real estate valuation certificate here. We provide the LinkedIn profile and the wallet address, which will be used to assign the info tokens as a reward for approved responses. All right, so let's create an account and land into the Infomatix system. As a responder, we can see all the available for us requests, those which correspond to our area of expertise. And here is our request we just created for the evaluation of the property in California. We can navigate and see its details, as well as the reward which we might get if we provide the valuable response and price for this property. So let's do that. We need to specify the justification. Let's use open source for this example, and the price of this asset, let's say it is 50,000. Then we need to check the citation. That might be literature citation, where the ISBN, author, title, publisher, and year of publishment need to be provided, the personal reference, the internet resource, or the written justification, which we are going to use for this very example, where we provide some detailed information and explanation why we specified this price for this given asset. Then we have to download the answer template of a given structure, fill it out, and upload the filled version of this document back into the system. Submit the guidelines and click submit. All right, as we can see, this request is now located under the pending requests tab because it is waiting for the approval. Each response has to be approved by the verifier. Verifier, that is the next flow we are going to review within this video. Verifier, as similar to a responder, is an expert in a given domain area. So we are going to create another account, Sergey +11, and try to apply for the verifier status. Within Infomatix, every new user gets the responder status automatically, but once he get the responder status, he can give it a try and apply for the verifier status. So for now, let's fill out the information the exactly same way as we did it before. Provide the job title, the same area of expertise, so that we can verify the response of the previous account. All right, provide all the documents requested, upload the document itself, provide with the link and the wallet address. Using this wallet address, the verifier will be rewarded with the info tokens for all the verification he executes. All right, so me as a responder can apply for the verifier status. In order to do so, I need to provide the additional information which proves my expertise in a given area, upload appropriate documents, and submit my application. On the other side, the admin of the Infomatix now able to see all the users who applied for a verification status, and we can see that Sergey Lesninskyi, who is currently a responder, applied for a verification status. We can see the provided by him details and click approve button. Now, once we log in into the Infomatix as Sergey +11, who applied for a verifier status and was approved, we can see that we now see the verifier tab here, under which we can see all the available requests with the responses for us for verification. And here the request we created. So we navigate into the detailed view page and see that the real estate agent Sergey Lesninskyi provided a response for this request. So we navigate into the detailed view of the response, see all the necessary information about the request itself, the response provided by our responder, along with the justification, written justification, all the files he uploaded, and verifier has two options: either deny the response or approve it. In our case, we consider the price of 50,000 and the written justification and uploaded documents as valid ones, so we approve the response. Once we approve the response, we see that it moved from the available requests to the completed requests, and here is our approved response. Once the responder response is approved, he gets the reward with the info tokens. In our scenario, that is 100 of info tokens. So if we log in back as the responder, that is Sergey plus 10. Okay, we can see that we do not have pending requests anymore, and we have one completed request which was approved by the verifier. All right, once the request initiated by the requester on the Gnosis side is answered with a response, and response is verified and approved by the verifier, the user on the Gnosis side is now gets the price of his custom asset and can track it accordingly. That was the entire end-to-end flow of the custom asset valuation. Thank you for your attention.